interesting. So we shouldn't be cooking with olive oil.
Correct. Ultra processed oils and ultra processed carbohydrates, and together
Oh,
they're pro-inflammatory, and it puts our body in a systemic state of inflammation, our brain in neurological inflammation, and it's more aging. The just the oils alone are more aging than 2 packs of cigarettes a day.
what? That is
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah, and we're eating all these highly processed vegetable oils and told that they're healthy.
So what is the oil we should be using?
The oils that you want to be using is leaning more in the two other directions towards saturated fats like the omega-9s. So things like
Hmm.
coconut oil, MCTs, things like that, butter, ghee. And then on the other side, you want omega-3s, things like fish oil, flax oil, etc. And if you use things like olive oil, those are amazing, but don't use those under high heat. That's where they
I
can get
see.
damaged. So things like olive oil, I like to add to salads, things like that. And things like butter and
Oh,
coconut oil are what I like to cook with because they have a high smoke point and they're not going to
that's
oxidize.
interesting. So we shouldn't be cooking with olive oil.
Correct.
Okay, so with cooking, okay, so that's really something I'm taking back right now. I make my 4 egg omelet every day with olive oil. So you're saying don't cook with olive oil. You add olive oil onto a salad, but what you're saying is use coconut oil, or what else could be used for cooking?
MCT oil, coconut
Hmm.
oil. Yeah, MCT does come from coconut, Tiffany. And then you can also use things like butter, ghee,
I
stuff like
see.
that.
That's amazing.